Magandang umaga. 2 minutes till 12 noon.
Yeah, still.
Yeah, still umaga. And it's a Sunday. So, tignan nyo naman ang daan. Oh. Diba? Very quiet. Punta kami doon sa mananahi ko, guys. Doon sa bahay na malapit kay Iris. Kasi kukunin namin yung blouse ko. Pero si Iris wala doon. Nasa bakasyon siya. So, hindi kami pupunta sa bahay ni Iris. After that, we are going for a lunch function.
Invitation for the lunch.
Doon sa ano, sa... Where is it, baby? Is it a bit far?
That side, Chunimetla, you know. We're going to Jason House, that road, somewhere there.
Oh, okay. May pinagawa kasi yung pinsan niya. So, parang ano nila, basta may mga function silang ginagawa pagkatapos magpagawa ng bahay or ng building man, mga ganon. So, pupuntahan namin. And sila yan, nasa likod. Quiet. Hi, Ryan. Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Aking sari, guys. Hello. I'm back. Hindi ako masyadong masaya sa resulta. Everything is done.
Very good.
Okay. I'm not that happy with the result, but it's okay, we'll see. 3 sari kasi ito, lalo na dito. Ay naka. So yun na nga, guys, hindi ako masyadong masaya sa resulta ng ano ko, main event sari. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang aking gagawin. Wala na akong oras kasi Tuesday kailangan na namin mag-start mag-travel papunta doon sa probinsya. So, baka bibili na lang ako ng what you call this, ready-made blouse, or hindi ko alam. Pag-iisipan ko muna kasi hindi talaga ako satisfied sa kanyang ginawang blouse sa aking sari. Ay nako talaga, hindi ko in-expect ito. Kasi sabi ko, long blouse, wala siya talagang ginawang long blouse ni isa, puro short blouse lang. Hindi niya sinunod kung ano yung gusto ko. Well, the 2 saris are okay, I don't mind, but the main event one is really it's okay, we'll see. Wala tayong magagawa. Punta na kami doon sa lunch, guys. It's around 49 minutes away from here. So, kailangan pa namin bumiyahe. Dito na kami, guys. Is it a school?
School.
Ayan, ito guys, oh. Kasi diba ang business ng pinsan ni Ram sa construction?
G Gland, there's a Gland Pharma. G, right? Gland. That's a company actually funded everything.
Ano siya? Government, right? Maybe government school?
The old school, actually the old school every year here, government school. It's old already, right? So the private companies coming forward, they are giving money to the government to renovate, construct new things like free education.
Ito yung loob ng classroom. Madumi pa, of course, kasi under construction, di ba? Kakatapos lang. May mga bench na. Si Raya nag-iikot na, guys. Ito yung isang pinsan niya. Takbo din. Hindi na namin alam na saan. Oh, ayun na pala si Ryan, oh. Hello! Having a tour?
Huh?
You're having a tour?
Yes.
Kainan time. Let's eat na na. Uy! Diyan kami kakain. Let's go, let's go. Maingay ang electric fan, guys. Ayan, kumakain na yung iba. Yeah. Yeah, it's not hot. Daming electric fan. At may batang gutom. Talagang kumuha na siya ng pagkain niya. Hindi na siya makapaghintay. What do you get, Nana? Mutton, oh, biryani, paratha,
I want more gari.
chicken, and gari. Yeah, we'll get more gari.
How much you want?
And ang pinsan ni Ryan, si Moria. Guys, I have news for you guys. Let's go. Let's go home.
No.
Yes.
You three coming with us. That's the trailer. Say hi.
Hi!
Pauwi na kami. At may mga makukulit na kasama.
Huh? Hey, come on! Ryan, come on!
Moria is so confused.
Selfies. What auntie say?
What language is she using? Okay. Oh my god.
Let's sit down! That's fell down! That's falling down! You guys!
It's already 3:48. Mamaya na lang guys kasi ang iingay ng mga makukulit.
Half an hour to go
Yeah.
home.
Moria.
Huh?
This is Moria. Movie marathon ang dalawa. Yung sila yan. What movie is that, Neha?
Evil Dead.
Oh my god.
She picked it. I did not pick it. I don't even want to watch.
The next day na ito guys, it's Monday. Hindi na ako nakapag-continue mag-vlog kahapon kasi may dumating kaming bisita and late na sila umuwi. Ito yung hindi ko napakita sa inyo kahapon na pinatahi ko, diba, blouse ng aking sari, ang tsaka guys. Oh, tignan nyo naman. Sabi ko hindi ko talaga ito susuotin sa kasal ng pamangkin ni Ram. So, what we did, bumili ako ng ready-made na blouse. Oh, sobrang ganda niya. Diba? Mas maganda pa ito. And almost same lang ng presyo yung pagpapatahi at pagbili ng ready-made na blouse. Sobrang happy ako dito na pa-adjust na din kasi may mananahi silang nag-a-adjust doon. And then, ito naman yung sa black na sari. Pinatahi ko din ito guys sa same na mananahi nito. Pero, maganda ang resulta ng black na blouse para sa aking black sari. Ito, tsaka waist guys. Sakit sa dibdib pero ganyan naman talaga minsan. Ngayon, pupunta ako sa AMB Mall. Magpapa-nails ako, magpapa-threading and may mga bibilhin. Mamaya, darating ulit yung pamangkin ni Ram at saka asawa ng pinsan ni Ram. Hindi ko alam anong oras. But, for now, tatapusin ko na muna yung mga kailangan kong tapusin kasi mamaya mag-i-empake na tayo. Tapos, bukas ng mga 11 AM, uwi na tayo ng probinsya para mag-attend nga sa kasal ng pamangkin ni Ram. Boys, I will be back in a while.
Okay, where are you going?
I'm going to AMB Mall for my nails, Nana. Do you wanna come with me?
No, okay.
See, baby, ano? His answer will be no, I'm okay.
When you come into daddy?
Yeah. How about your kurtas?
Let's go now.
Kailangan kasing ikat ng konti para hindi masyadong mahaba daw, mga ganyan. You will go to that same tailor?
Same tailor, right?
Okay.
You say okay, I'll give him maybe evening I can come.
Update me, anything, okay?
Sure.
Maybe around 2:30 I will be back. I'll be quick. Bye. See you later.
Whether they will come also little late, I think. Need to go, we'll go again.
Is coming today?
Yeah, Vedaka.
Coming here?
Yeah, later.
Come, turn off them.
He's so excited. Okay. See you later.
See you later.
Love you.
When's the bubbles coming here?
Yeah. Natatawa ko sa mga pamangkin ni Ram, guys, kasi gusto nila na sa bahay namin magstay. Eh, syempre, yung mga magulang yung napapasubo. Kasi yung mga ibang kamag-anak nagrereklamo, gusto nilang mag-spend time sa kanila, di birthday sa bahay namin. So, katuwa. And yung pamangkin ni Ram, nakakarating lang yung babae, kapatid ni Pranav. Yung nakita niyo last vlog. Si Veda, gusto niyang mag-shopping. Sasamahan ko siya. Siguro mamaya. Sabi ko sa kanya maaga magpunta, pero parang hindi ata pinayagan ng uncle niya. So baka mamaya pa sila magpunta hapon. And sabi ko okay, ako muna yung tatapusin ko yung kailangan kong tapusin, then balik na lang kami sa mall just in case kung ready na siya. Nails done na guys, pauwi na ako. It's already 4:33 and red yung aking napili kasi iba-iba yung kulay ng aking damit, diba? So red. Ako sa bahay guys, si Daddy Ram ay nasa gym, si Raya nasa baba, umuulan. Gusto ko siyang tawagan pero hindi niya sinuot ang kanyang relo. So hindi ko siya matawagan. Ewan ko sa kanya kung nasaan na siya. Baka nasa kabilang tower dun sa bahay ng pinsan niya. Tawagan ko na lang yung asawa ng pinsan ni Ram. And yung mga pamangkin ni Ram, yan na yung mga luggage nila. Nagpunta daw sila dito kanina, pero may pinuntahan kaya umalis din. Magsisimula na lang akong mag-impake kasi para mamaya baka lalabas na naman wala na akong time. Parang andito na si Ryan. Boy, it's raining, boy.
I wanted to play before.
You did not use your watch. How can I call you? I got some French fries for you. That's handkerchief.
French fries.
Wash your hands first because you played. You saw Vedaka?
Yeah.
She'll come back later. Wala kaming handkerchief guys, kaya bumili ako. Mainit doon sa probinsya, diba? So, kailangan ko talaga ng handkerchief pati si Daddy Ram at si Ryan. Nauubos na ang aming handkerchief. Laging nawawala.
That's actually so big.
Yeah. I actually like a big one. And, bumili din ako ng tawag nito yung pin para sa sari. Para hindi siya mahulog pag sinusuot mo. Oh, ito din pala. Clip sa buhok. Nasa na yan. Ang cute ng kulay. Then, buto. Yung nilalagay dito. Para very traditional na tayo. Is it already soft na na? Let's try.
Yes.
Ganyan. Look at it. Is it center? Not really.
Is it something? But you just have to make it up.
Okay.
It's in the middle of both of your eyebrows.
It should be there.
Turn a little bit up now. That's enough.
Magsimula na tayong mag-impake guys. Ito ay mga damit ko lang. Usually mga pambahay, pantulog. Yung para sa mga functions and event. Dito ko ilalagay or isa-separate ko na lang na maliit na bag. Kasi marami yun medyo malalaki, diba? So for sure hindi magkakasya. Yung mga damit din nila Daddy Ram, ibang suitcase. Kasi ang daming damit ni Mami Verme. Alam nyo na. Pagtulog pa lang. Isang maleta na. Diyos ko. And yung ibang mga damit namin guys, nasusuotin para sa function, ay nasa taga-plancha pa namin. So ikukulik mamaya. Sana umabot. Baka sabihin bukas, ay, kailangan ko lang i-empake ang lahat para ready na tayo. Okay, si Ryan naman daw ang mag-i-empake. Yung mga damit niya. Okay, these are some extra clothes. Properly. Pagkasya guys, uy. Ang hirap ng pagkasyahin. Okay. This one. Will it fit? Yes, it's fine. We are ready. We only wear clothes.
బట్టలు అయిపోయినాయా? అదే అయిపోతే ఒకవేళ వచ్చి తీసుకుందాం చదువుకుంటాకి మాకు చదువుకుంటున్నాం అందుకని. ఇది
For your clothes. Wait. Let's try to fit this one first. Kulang pa ito. This is not complete na. It's okay, right?
Yeah.
You can put some here. Can you close it? Well, little extra pa naman. So we can put those clothes later. Oh my God, Ryan. Mama. It's okay. Oh, still have space. Si Daddy Ram naman ang mag-e-empake. All good? Will it fit?
I think so. This will fit.
We need to put towel.
Towel.
Mine is already
I want to
tight.
check with Nani. It's a hotel, right? So we're supposed to provide. Towel don't put baby plant in a place. You know why? I can ask some person to bring.
No, I don't want to compromise. I can bring mine if you compromise you and your son.
You have a place?
A little space maybe.
Okay.
Holding pants already. Half of it occupied.
Hopefully.
Oh my God, I don't think so. We have one more luggage, right? The big one? Use the big one maybe.
Big one. We'll say flat then.
Oh, we have one more, right? We have 3 small luggage.
Yeah, wait, we have one more small one. We'll see. Let's go. Sit up, baby.
Okay. I pack my clothes, Ryan pack his clothes. Now you're packing your clothes.
My wife used to pack for me, but now
Aha!
she doesn't want to do it.
Aha! Seriously.
I don't know why.
The moment of truth. It's gonna be dimpled your clothes to be.
Then how? Get the big one.
Because when you reach there, it's already painful. Better the big one. Little space. Extra space.
Better the big one or the other small one?
If big one, we just need to bring one. If another small one, then 2. It will occupy what? space in the car. Oh, see? This is better really. At least if we need to put some more things, then it's good enough, right?
The toilet is all getting worse.
Yeah. Finish that up. So we are ready. Since tapos na kaming mag-impake, guys, nag-get ready ulit kasi magdi-dinner kami kasama ng mga pamangkin ni Ram at saka yung asawa ng pinsan ni Ram. Kasi yung pinsan ni Ram nauna na sa probinsya. Babae kasi, diba? So busy siya doon at nag-aayos ng mga kailangan gawin para sa kasal nga ng pamangkin ni Ram. So, hindi ko alam kung saan kami magdi-dinner. Basta nag-get ready lang ako. Siguro mga after 10 minutes, alis na kami. Ito kami sa monastery, guys. Si Ryan, oh. Sa labas kami uupo. May ano pa sila, oh. Pa-cricket. Order na ng pagkain. Busy. Sila din na i-video din.
I don't like that.
Okay.
You don't like the chicken? It's okay, don't eat. The fish was really good. Ito ang dinner ko, ramen.
We'll eat pasta.
Sarap. Missy. For lamb.
This is like we ordered that one.
I think this is for me, done for you.
Yeah. It's bad.
Good luck. It's good?
Yeah.
It's good, right? Gusto na yung ganun. Pizza.
What pizza is that? Jerk chicken.
Ito na kami sa bahay, guys. Tomorrow, we are going to travel!
Yeah.
I'm so excited for the festivities. Say goodnight so we can wake up early tomorrow.
Bye guys.
Like.
Like, share, subscribe. Like, share. Ring the bell icon. Bye. See you, Lucas. Peace.